Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is our maths lecture number 22, and we are doing chapter number 2. We are going to start exercise number 2.4 today, and first we will do question number 1. Question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, then evaluate. Our first part is alpha square plus beta square. As we have done in the previous exercise, we know very well that the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. Minus b over a, we have to take this equation and we have to compare it with standard form of the quadratic equation, and we came to know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to p, and c is equal to q. So minus b over a is equal to minus p over 1, that is equal to minus b, and product is equal to alpha beta, and the formula is c over a. So it will be equal to q over 1, which will be equal to q. Now our question is alpha square plus beta square. We don't have the value of alpha square plus beta square. We only have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we have to convert alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we will add to alpha beta and subtract to alpha beta in alpha square plus beta square, and we will combine alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta in a separate bracket. So we know very well this is the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square. So we will combine it as alpha plus beta whole square, and it will be written as minus 2 alpha beta. Now we will put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. We have put the value of minus p here, and alpha beta is equal to q. So we have placed q here. So minus p whole square is equal to p square minus 2q. This is your required answer for this question. Now we will do exercise 2.4, question number 2. Question number 2 is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 4x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, then find the value of. We are going to do question number 2, part number 3. 1 over alpha square beta plus 1 over alpha beta square. First step is, let alpha and beta are the roots of the required equation, and as we have done before, we will find the value of sum and product of the roots. Sum will be equal to alpha plus beta. Formula is minus b over a. If we compare this equation with standard form of the quadratic equation, we will conduct that a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 6. By putting the values, minus b over a is equal to minus into minus 5 over 4, which will be equal to 5 over 4. And the product is equal to alpha beta, and the formula is c over a. C is 6 here, a is 4. So c over a is equal to 6 over 4, which will be simplified into 3 over 2. Now our question is 1 over alpha square beta plus 1 over alpha beta square. We know that we have addition sign between two fractions, so we have to take LCM. When we will take the LCM of alpha square beta and alpha beta square, it will be alpha square beta square. And when we solve this fraction, we will get beta plus alpha as numerator. So alpha plus beta over alpha square beta square can be written as alpha beta whole square. Now we will put the value of alpha plus beta as 5 over 4 and alpha beta as 3 over 2. So 5 over 4 divided by 3 over 2 whole square. Now 3 over 2 whole square means 9 over 4. So our next step will be 5 over 4 divided by 9 over 4. Now we will take the reciprocal to change this division sign into multiplication sign. 5 over 4 multiply by 4 over 9. Now we will do the cancellation. 4 will be cancelled with this 4 and our answer is 5/9. So this was the answer and this is the end of our lecture. Thank you very much.